Welcome to the fascinating world of traffic signals. Today we are going to be installing this form for a traffic signal controller cabinet. You see all the concrete sitting underneath this cabinet. That's what this form is going to be for. We also got to do a power pedestal right beside it and then a pull box, but that stuff kind of got busted up, so we got to build a new form for that. We're going to do that back at the camper. But if you want to see us install this signal cabinet form, then make sure you continue watching this video, and tomorrow you'll see us pour concrete into this form and hopefully also get a signal foundation for a traffic signal pole going as well tomorrow, plus that power pedestal that we talked about. We'll get all the concrete work done on this corner plus in the median over there, and should be a good day tomorrow. Obviously we drove up here today, so it's about the most we're getting done on site and then getting everything prepared for tomorrow. Yeah, so come with us and let's get that in. Twist it that way. Hold that. Ooh. Come back a little bit. Hold that. Yep, it's all about being careful with it.
Clean board.
Ain't got time for that.
That makes the prep work 10 times easier.
Because you ain't got concrete in there.
Fly it out.
I got slots. Alright, so power pedestal, slot for our pipes. Our pull box will go right in this general area. And
Add the pipe from the pull box to the pole.
need one there. What is it? Whoa, oh yeah, that's gonna come off of this guy though,
Okay.
and have to trench over. Pretty good reference on there. And
As long as that asshole don't have to be out there, we're on the ground.
little ground right here. I didn't much of marking.
Were you here when that one dude was kind of an asshole?
The less we disrupt, the better. Obviously, where our pipes are gonna go, we're gonna go a little deeper. We'll be closer to 3 foot on the pipes. Dirt's nice and stiff. So that base we're gonna get around 12 inches to 18 inches deep. Clearly, our pipes are going to go much deeper than that. Show me edge and edge, like that side and then pretty much the corner areas. Got about 16 inches there. Yeah. 16, 17 there. What about closer towards me? Okay. And slot out our pipes. See if we hit anything. Hopefully won't hit anything. All coming up together. Yeah, I think we're good. That's about 3 foot there too, so. Oh, Heck, if anything, we'll come out the power pedestal. Instead of trenching one into it, we'll just do a spare and the pipe going to the pull box from the power pedestal. That'd make it a little easier. How about these corners? Gotta be worked on. Yep. That's just a 64 inches. Bring up that bell end. Just put it in that bell end. This one 2 feet.
Yeah, that was super.
We got duct tape as well.
Yeah, dude. There's only a little bit left of that gray that I can find, but you got some black too.
Okay, that works. Probably doesn't even call for a 3-inch, but I want to add one in it. I'm gonna throw tape on top. Beautiful.
Need that glue on it,
Now what do we got? One more 2-inch and 1-inch?
Yes, sir. Got her form, marked it, got it all dug up, got the form set in there, got our pipes slotted out, our pipes in. We're gonna move these back a little bit, go right through the middle of this form board. This 3-inch is gonna be the only one that's kind of a pain in the butt. Get it strapped up to that board. I'm gonna do these 3 2-inch conduits. And this 1-inch right here, this is just stubbed out a little bit. It's gonna be for our ground. And yeah, get that board across, get everything strapped down, tightened down, covered, and it'll be ready to pour. I'll have to pack around these corners a little bit better. It'll be ready to pour tomorrow. Make sure it's all still square and level. So just marking 1.5 inches real quick. We shouldn't need more than one thing. Well, I guess we need to cut some for that, what do you call it? A power pedestal.
Yeah.
Oh, we got those right there.
Yeah, we make some of the stuff work. Come y'all's way.
Your tape measure?
And
Definitely an 8.
What are you trying to do?
45 degrees. I need a better battery. What you're seeing, we're cutting a chamfering. So right here, we're just cutting this wood at 1.5 inches and a 45-degree angle, just like this right here. So we'll have an angle on the edge of the concrete instead of it just having a straight edge. And then obviously our cabinet will fit on the inside of that. And what you saw, I used a speed square. Get it where you need it, and then just stick yourself your pen, pencil, or Sharpie or whatever in that notch, and you can just easily line it up and move it. Then clearly, you need a battery for your saw. You can do it.
Huh?
God dang, dude, is my freaking saw screwing up? The battery is full bars.
Did it drain it already?
Looks great. Now, yourself some finished nails in there. She ain't going nowhere. Jackson, Mississippi. Someone done stole our plywood off of this hole we have. That's cute. Kind of funny. All right, guys, so we finished out that signal form, and they are going back and building a power pedestal form, and I'm trying to run out to El Dorado and Metro Park Place and lay out all the bores for a boring guy that's coming tomorrow. And unfortunately, I'm stuck in traffic. At least I'm not headed home right now. Then this would be dreadful. But dead stop on the interstate. Guess there was an accident or something. We'll see. See what happened. And then I guess will just be the end of the video. So stay tuned, because there's one last thing to look at, whatever is holding me up in traffic. And then we'll go spray some paint down on asphalt. And that will be our Monday. Small update. Still sitting here. Still sitting in traffic. Says it's gonna free up here soon. Just listening to podcasts. Drinking some Diet Coke. Real bored. I don't like just sitting here. Well, we can finally somewhat see what's going on up there. Really hope nobody's injured. Definitely looks like they got some kind of vehicle flipped over there in the median. That trailer was attached. Oh, turn off that burger. But you can see they got it blocked down to one lane of traffic going right now. I'll just put y'all up there, would y'all be able to stay seeing us off on the shoulder. See you real quick. See the rumble strip. You can see that thing just got totaled. Like that thing rolled and then caught on fire. I really hope that person got out of there. Kind of looked like a little bit of an older Chevy towing a trailer too. Flip, dang. It's a rough accident. I'll make sure to stay safe out there. But we're finally moving. We can go finish up what we're doing. Finish out our Monday. I hope y'all had a great day, and I hope we have a great day tomorrow. And as always, thanks for watching.